I mean, it wasn't, I didn't see him do anything terrible. And maybe this guy is a guy who can fight for 20 rounds.
September 1, 2010, nilabanan ni Zulani Tete, ang Noy IBF World Flyweight Champion, na kapwa niya taga South Africa na si Muruti Talani. Pero dito nalasap ni Tete ang kanyang unang pagkatalo. Natalo siya via 5th round TKO. Sa sumunod na taon, March 26, 2011, ay ang ating kababayang si General Casimero naman ang kumasa sa champion. Dinayo niya si Muruti Talani sa South Africa para makipagbasagan, pero nabigo si Cuadro Alas. Natalo siya via 5th round TKO din, gaya kay Tete. Pero bago nangyari ang labang Talani versus Tete at Talani versus Casimero, ay unang nakalaban na ni Nonito the Filipino Flash Donaire, itong matibay na champion ng South Africa. Isang matindi at madugong bakbakan ang nangyari sa kanila, pero nanaig ang lakas ni the Filipino Flash sa laban. Naputukan pa sa bandang mata itong si Talani na naging dahilan para itigil agad ang laban. Panalo ang ating pambato via 6th round TKO. Defending IBF at IBO World Flyweight Champion si Donaire dito, habang challenger naman itong si Talani. Bit-bit ng South African ang record na 23 wins with 1 loss, habang 19 wins with 1 loss naman si Donaire. Halina sabay nating balikan ang laban ni Donaire versus Talani. Muli nating tignan kung paano na TKO ng The Filipino Plus ang boksidor na nag-TKO kay Casimero at Zulani Tete.
His blood was boiling for this fight. Let's see if it's right.
But Talani is,
you got to do something that you're.
Again, he'll crack Talani coming in, force him to back off. Donaire just reading, nice counter punch as Talani got,
who had no respect really for Nonito Donaire.
and catching Talani at times on the way in, making the play here, getting off first. He hadn't been there to be hit. We'll see. Flyweight champion Nonito Donaire back in action. Well, he was a man of few words in the corner, essentially saying shorten up and go side to side a little bit, but run this guy into shots.
Good overhand right there. He should be utilizing his upper body movement back, or maybe he might drop that hand or throw a shot, and he can counter off from that.
Donaire, he misses with a right and whistles past, but exactly.
And I moment for him. And he was honored by the Philippines as athlete of the year.
Big stop, and that the South African got hit on the way
to for those body shots.
And there it is again as you speak.
Good job. Something to your attention as we watch Donaire here, and we've already seen Jorge
at getting the stoppage tonight to lift all 3 titles.
And right here, Donaire is trying to maintain his title. I would like to see Magandang throw a little more punches, be a little more quicker with his shots.
Good point. He gets wrapped the kidneys. Now Donaire trying to open him up with right hands.
Nonito Donaire is living proof that not every Philippine fighter is trained by Freddie Wells.
No question. I agree.
Makes his opponent fall short. He counters very well.
Hand counter. It's like, there's that left. Partially blocked by the South African. Overhand right by Talani. Donaire whips a left.
Wide spread, and he a lot of times he puts a lot of his weight on his back foot. Magandang actually goes or tries to reach him with a right, using it as a spring forward, like recoil kind of.
Yes, this round.
And Nonito's just not letting him in the fight yet.
Right. There, looking to let him measured. He's not wasting much. Stuffs the jab.
I think what's going on with Magandang is that he's too to let those hands go. You're not going to beat him by being stiff and walking forward.
Yeah, he's got to make the champion uncomfortable. Slammed an overhand right home there.
Stiff jab right there by Magandang.
Overhand right by the champion, and Talani is standing in front of him.
He can't get off at all.
No. He hit Darchinian, he went down like a tree.
Interestingly enough, Darchinian might have just been that perfect one-time shot.
Interesting.
And that's all you.
Gennaro Hernandez, Rich Morata, ringside here in Las Vegas.
Box number for that last round. Excuse me, Nick. I'm sorry. It didn't seem
like that.
Like it was a one-point.
And you know the round before was like.
He's in the fight. I mean, he's not losing the rounds by a very large amount, taking control of it, but Magandang is actually looking to fight. He's going in there, he's throwing some shots, he's landing some good shots as well. But I just think that his opponent needs to challenge. Oh, good right hand by Magandang right there.
Because he look at, see there comes.
Not only is your first time out of your country, you know, I guess it's playing a part of pressure of being in the big stage.
He's getting to Donaire a bit.
They're boxing him.
Now right there, I think Magandang should actually be counter-punching.
It's his second flyweight title defense. Well,
Trying to confuse the African guy.
he's just pawing with the jab and trying to
Could Donaire, in addition, think that, geez, things aren't going that good in this round?
if things aren't working for him. All right, closing out a fourth round and a pretty good one for the South African.
Well, she doesn't look so tough there.
Killer, Rachel Killer Donaire.
The two just got married this year.
We wish him all the best.
No wonder he's on his, he's airing out his aggression here because
Roundhouse
there
kicks.
you go.
But no, they're both.
So would you give? I would probably
I
give
gave
him that
him,
round.
I gave him the last round, yeah.
And technically sound is Kalani.
Technically, he needs a little more work, but defensively, he's pretty good. He's guard something he's not doing at all.
And the criticism you have of Donaire starts with that drop left hand. Right?
Correct.
That's the
punches land.
key.
Yeah.
Donaire squares up in front, and Kalani and more out of Donaire, the champion.
But you know, they gotta understand that you got a fighter in front of you who's strong, who's taking some pretty good shots.
Mandatory challenger. Donaire is fulfilling his mandatory tonight, and he got there, Kalani, by defeating Hussein in a 12-round bout.
Right.
So he did beat a quality fighter to get here.
Absolutely. That was
And he's not a stepping stone name for Donaire.
thinking about plan B to box a little bit, get on that jab, create some movement and angles, but Kalani's been a little bit busier there. Donaire sinks a right hand to the body. His punch output, as Rich alluded to, is on the low side.
Nonito's kind of abandoned his jab. You got to get back to work with that.
Yeah, I was thinking he'd start the box. Closing the fifth. Judges for this, two from Nevada, the very experienced Adelaide Bird, Robert Boyle, and in from Florida, Michael Pernick. An exceptional halfway mark in a very competitive title fight.
Yeah, Donaire comes out fighting as a southpaw.
Yeah.
If he hasn't been able to do anything.
That right hand, that left hand landed. He is just trying to line him up for that left. The jab's doing nothing.
And the good right hand.
Donaire's roughed up a little bit too. Well on the temple.
He's bruising both above and below the eye.
I'm thinking it's on the side of the nose somewhere.
Well, look at that left hand. That's the one punch that knocked out Darchinian from the orthodox stance, of course. The point is, we know he has power. Now he's back orthodox in both hands. Ineffective halfway through this round. He's done nothing. Come here.
I believe this might be the punch that might have cost it. I think when he was walking in, he jabbed Donaire, jabbed very well right there.
He touched it right there, and that must have been it.
Yeah, already rubbing the eye.
Right there. That
Eyelid, look out.
That's it. That's it.
It's over. Well, you picked it up, Rich. We didn't know it was that bad. And you heard that
His way back into the fight. It seemed to be loosening up.
you know,
Too bad for him.
And
I gotta
it is from the
say,
inside.
because inconclusive in a lot of ways.
Joe Cortez, the referee, is
There. I mean, it wasn't, I didn't see him do anything terrible. And maybe this guy is a guy who can fight for 20 rounds.
in the 5th round, but there he is, still expressed.
The Filipino Flash Donaire.
Well, you know, the crowd's disappointed.